Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you? I'm good. Okay, hopefully you are doing great. Previously, let me introduce myself. My name is Rifkoh Melati Abina. I'm from 12th grade of Social Sciences 4, 25 in number. Now, I want to describe you how to make the herbal tea. What's the herbal tea? Alright, the herbal tea, it is Butterfly Pea Tea. The Butterfly Pea Tea, commonly we know as blue tea. It is a herbal tea that made of infusion of flower butterfly pea. To make the butterfly pea tea, first, prepare all the following ingredients. So in this table, there are 50 or we can use 10 petals of butterfly pea flowers, and then there is a spoon, there is a glass, 1 small glass of lemon juices, then there are some ice cubes, and there is 1 leaf of lemongrass, then there are some sugar cubes, and 1 small pot of boiled water. Okay, after we prepare all the following ingredients, next step is put sugar cubes in a glass with a spoon. Pour the boiled water into a glass. Then put more or less 10 or 50 butterfly pea petals in it. Then wait it for several minutes until the color change. After that, add some ice cubes in the tea. Okay, steps is pour lemon juice into the tea. Look, this color is changing, guys. It's magic. After we pour lemon juice sufficiently into tea, then we add lemongrass leaves. Before we drink a glass of butterfly tea, we must stir it well until the all ingredients mixed well. Okay guys, it is a glass of butterfly pea tea. After we knew how to make a glass of butterfly pea tea step by step, in the next I will tell you and I will show you the rich benefits of butterfly pea tea. After I quoted from website Hello., the butterfly pea tea has rich benefits for our body health. are: first, alleviating symptoms of depression; 2, containing antioxidant; 3, speeding up the healing process of wounds; 4, reduce inflammation in the body; 5, lowering high cholesterol; 6, easing diabetes symptoms; and 7, alleviating symptoms of asthma. Okay? It's cool. Okay guys, it is my video about how to make a glass of butterfly pea tea step by step. I hope you can make the butterfly pea tea in your house in step by step. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.